You ever seen that movie, E.T.? As you can see, we're back home again in Indiana.
Technically, we've been home for a little bit. The schedule has gotten a little messed up because, well, life's gotten a little messed up around here.
E.T. visited our house. We've been home for a little bit, and Cris calls me as I'm out visiting my dear mother, and she says, we have a problem. The floor is bubbled up underneath my feet.
Yeah.
And I remember how I said I relayed that really nice.
This floor.
Yeah. Well, it's a mess right now, but that's because underneath it the floor was bubbling up because this valve is on our water closet and it's behind the water heater. It was behind the water heater. It's not now. So there was a leak from this old valve. And of course, we wouldn't have seen it because it was behind a water heater. How many people go behind their water heater just to check to see if anything's leaking?
It's fuzzy here.
That's my face. And so I come home and I checked it out, and sure enough, there's been a water leak for a very, very, very long time, and it just finally got underneath the flooring. And so people came out.
Decided to say hi last week.
It did. Yeah. Unexpected guests at the house. Never fun. And so called our insurance people, and they sent people out, and now there's a giant hole behind me, behind this wall, where there was at one time a furnace that's been in our living room.
No, kitchen.
Our kitchen. It's the furnace is in our kitchen, and then open living area kind of thing, and so we can't really cook with the furnace in our kitchen. We snuggle a lot now because it gets cold at night.
The bottom line is everything is fine. Everything's gonna be fine. We have a projected end date of when all this stuff is getting put back together. Everybody's being great about helping us resolve the issue, and best of all, the valve has been replaced so that we don't
look like that.
We're not forming caves under our house.
Look, it's stalactite. Wait, stalagmite, stalactite. Who knows?
We're hoping to be back to normal next week, which next week you're going to be back in South Dakota because, again, our timeline's off.
Yes.
But eventually we'll get you back to Indiana. And hopefully we'll be taping those things soon so that you'll have something to watch.
This week they're tearing it out. We're fuzzy again.
You're just not staying focused.
You know why? It's because it doesn't recognize your face.
I think it's because it's his camera and it has a hard time focusing.
So this week, we're tearing our house apart. Next week, we'll be putting our house back together. So it might be a couple weeks before you see a whole bunch of new content.
You'll start seeing content. It's just, we're still struggling.
Because there's a hole where my house... There's a hole in my house where the toilet used to be.
No, thankfully the toilet's still in place. The sink's gone.
Oh yeah.
But the great news is we were waiting till today to find out before talking to you guys
because we didn't know how long it was going to be.
We thought that there was a potential that our kitchen was going to have to be, and that was not going to be okay. So the kitchen's gonna be fine. We're excited about that, and everything else should be put together soon. So you guys will see us soon. We're just know, be patient, and you might get surprise videos here and there because...
Oh yeah, I'll be vlogging all this.
But we just wanted to bring you guys up to speed to let you know how our life kind of imploded.
Because we're usually throwing stuff all the time, and I know that some of y'all are probably this week going,
where are they? What are they doing?
They must be on vacation.
No.
I think we're going to need one after this. What else? Let's see. Oh, by the way, neither one of us are wearing it right now, but we got new shirts. If y'all saw that from the Facebook post, we got new shirts that say, here for a good time. See my little dog tag right there? This lovely lady right there designed that. We've got t-shirts. Oh. I just dumped the bag of stickers. Anyway, if you go to Teespring, and I'll leave a link down below, we've got stickers, we've got shirts, sweatshirts, t-shirts, long sleeve tees, because NJ's like, it's too hot in Texas for a sweatshirt. So
I wear a sweatshirt in Texas.
Well, you wear a sweatshirt in hell. Not that she's going there. She's not going there. We got stickers on Teespring. We've got shirts on Teespring. If you come see one of my shows, one of my 7 shows in Texas, might even slide you a free sticker. You have to pay for the shirt, but I'll give you a free sticker. We're gonna start cooking stuff again, but for now, we're getting takeout. Yeah. Where are you taking me out tonight?
Oh, you're gonna go get me that low-carb pizza.
Pizza again.
Low carb. We got a really awesome low-carb pizza place. I don't usually get pizza though.
No, but when you do, it's a 40-mile drive to go get it.
I want bacon sticks.
Hey.
You asked.
Other than that, thank you guys for sticking with us in the middle of that.
E.T. phone home.
Yeah. Ooh. And I guess we'll see you when we see you.
Yeah.
So, laugh often.
Eat good food.
Speak life.
Even if it's takeout. Bye.
If you want to see the latest, click on the left right here. If you feel like subscribing, click on the right, my dear. And if you think we're funny enough to send us money, click the Patreon.